Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Passive More. In my previous video, I showed you 3 free AI art generators with commercial use rights. Today, I'm going to show you 5 websites where you can sell your AI art. If you're an artist who loves creating AI art, but you're not sure where to sell it, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 5 websites where you can sell your AI art for real money. These websites are all easy to use, and they have a large audience of potential buyers. So, if you're ready to start making money from your AI art, then watch this video until the end. I'll show you exactly how to set up an account on each website, and I'll give you some tips. So, if you're ready to start selling your AI art, then let's get started. First one, Adobe Stock. Let's start by visiting stock.adobe.com. Next, click on the Sell option. Afterwards, click on Join Now. You have the option to sign up using Facebook, Google, or by entering your email and a password. Fill in your details and click Done. Next, confirm your email address. Alright, now let's return to Adobe Stock and click on the Sell option once again. Let's upload your very first image. Here is an image I created using Leonardo AI. Now, I'm going to upscale this image using the Upscale Media app. Let's proceed to upload this image. Make sure to mark it as created using generative AI tools. Then select the file type and category for the image. Next, add a suitable title and relevant keywords. You have the option to select keywords suggested by Adobe, or you can manually enter your own keywords. Finally, submit your image to complete the process. It may take a few days for your image to undergo the review process. To get an idea of the trending image types on Adobe Stock, you can visit the Insights section. Second one, Redbubble. Redbubble is a print-on-demand website where you can upload your designs. Once uploaded, Redbubble will handle the printing process on various products and deliver them to the customers. You earn a commission from each sale made through the platform. Here are the currently trending searches on Redbubble. You can visit Bubble Spider to check out the trending designs on Redbubble. Now, let's explore the trending keywords that have low competition. The green trademark sign indicates that a design is not trademarked, allowing you to use it freely. However, if the trademark sign is red or yellow, it signifies that the design is protected by a trademark, and it's best to avoid using it to avoid any copyright issues. Choose a keyword. Before creating the design, search it on web. If the design relates to a movie, song, or celebrity, it's important not to create it. This can lead to copyright problems. Let's check another one. Okay, this one seems fine.
Nice.
But before creating the design, let's also check it on TM Hunt to verify it's not trademarked. Click on the Redbubble icon to check it on Redbubble. You can explore the best-selling products or trending products. This is the design I created using Leonardo AI. Now, I'll be editing it using PixArt. Before uploading this design, I will upscale it. Alright, let's go ahead and set up your Redbubble account. Choose the option for Artist Sign Up. Fill the details. Be sure to create a good username as it cannot be changed later. Confirm your email and phone number. Upload a profile picture, include your social links, and provide your payment details to set up your shop. Now, let's go ahead and add your design. Don't forget to add a catchy title, compelling description, and relevant tags. You have the option to adjust your design as needed. In order to set up your shop, you'll need to add at least 5 designs. Third one, Teachers Pay Teachers. Teachers Pay Teachers is an online marketplace where educators can buy and sell educational resources. On this website, you have a wide range of products that you can sell. However, today I will specifically focus on flashcards. You can create various types of flashcards, including animal flashcards, vegetable flashcards, number flashcards, and many more. Let's begin by creating an account. Click on the Join button. There are 3 account types available. To become a seller, you need to choose either the second or third option. I'm going to choose second one because it's free. Next, fill in your details, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on the Next button. Now, fill in your personal details and click Register. Now, let's head over to Canva to create our flashcards. Search for flashcards templates and select a suitable template from the results. Now, let's customize the template by adding our AI arts to it. Once you have finished editing all the cards, download it as a PDF file. Alright, let's proceed with uploading our flashcards to Teachers Pay Teachers. We can't sell our first upload. We should upload it as a free product. I generated this title and description using ChatGPT. If you are unsure about how to fill in the details, I recommend checking similar products to get an idea. This can help you understand the format and content typically used for listings on the platform. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, click on the Submit button. Alright, now that you have uploaded your first product as a free offering, now you can proceed to add more products and list them for sale. Fourth one, AI Art Shop. Let's head over to AIArtShop.com. Click on the AI Artist section. Next, click on Join as an AI artist. After that, click on Start Selling. Now, click on Join Now. Next, provide your details and click on Create an Account to proceed. Once you have added your payment details and profile information, you can proceed to add your artworks. Fifth one, Saatchi Art. To sell your AI arts on Saatchi Art, go to SaatchiArt.com. After accessing SaatchiArt.com, you can proceed to register for an account. Next, click on your name and select the option Become an Artist. Now you can proceed to create an artist account. To start selling, you will need to provide tax information and verify your photo ID. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Good luck with your journey in selling AI arts.